Alright, so we are going to be making our own notebook, our own sketchbook this semester. You'll be getting 2 pieces of this colorful paper. Comes in a few different highlighter options like this, only 2 though. You're going to go through the line and the baskets will be labeled with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so forth. And you're going to get these and keep them in order. These are your elements, your EOA, and your principles, your POD. You're also going to get this from one of the baskets, which is your rules and your expectations. Let me see if I can get that to clear up a little bit. There we go. So you're going to get your rules and expectations. That will go on top of your principles of design. Also, if you get them out of order, if you get your elements and principles out of order, there's numbers in the bottom corners, which tells you where to put them. And then you're going to be getting one of these packs of paper. This one's a little messed up. That's why I'm using it, not y'all. You're going to pick it up. It'll look like this. You'll just take this off, put it to the side, and this will be going right behind your paper. You're going to take it, use it, get it nice and lined up. If something's not lining up exactly, what you might have to do is go in and move it a little bit just to make sure you can see through all your holes. I'll move it a little closer so we can see easier at this point. Alright, so now I'm going to take my green paper, put one in the front. I'm going to take another, put it in the back. And at this point, you guys are going to get a piece of string, a pre-cut string that we offer you. You can try to do this where pushing it through with your as is, or if you need something like it's just not stiff enough for you, you get a little piece of tape. You can put it on the ends. Doesn't need to be a big piece of tape. I got way too much for this. Do this to both ends. This side I'm going to get a lot smaller. See, super tiny. What this does, it helps stiffen it up a little bit so it gives you something to guide through. This is optional. The next thing you are going to do is you're going to look at those top holes. You're going to push it through, make sure it goes through the back. Then you're going to grab the other side, go through the bottom holes, pull it. And then you're going to come around, and with both of these, so if you notice mine's being a little wonky, you're going to come in and go through the back here in that middle hole. This is where we want to have our problems. Alright, bring that one through, and then bring your other one through as well. If you want to try to get both at the same time, that's fine. One at a time is also fine. So once you get them through, you're going to come in, you're going to hold one in each finger, you're going to loop them around your finger like bunny ears, cross them, and then take one, go under and through, and pull. If you get something like that, you can always pull these back a little and try again. That is your sketchbook. The next expectation is just make sure it's front. Now, if you notice it's a little stiff to go this way, you're going to hold it here and bring it back. And you can line it up here so that it's nice and neatish. And you can make a crease there so that you know how you're going to turn the rest. Okay? When done, what you're going to do is you're going to come through. You must have the following. First name. Last name. Class code. Very visibly seen on the front. So if I were to do my first name, I could do it nice and big this way across the top, or nice and big going this way. And then I could have my last name come in here. It's across the bottom. And then I would have maybe in one of my corners, nice at a big decent size, my class code. If you're not sure what your class code is, check with your teachers. you have any questions, ask in class.